All right, guys, let's turn now to your forecast where things are looking certainly a lot better outside than yesterday. We saw quite a bit of rain, and now that rain moving out and the better forecast moving through.
Yes, and so this morning, had to give you one of these word jumbles, you know. I like to try at least to trick you, but you know, you did so well in the first one, the trivia question. So what do you think the answer is?
This one's tough.
Ding,
this
ding,
one is
ding, ding.
this one is a real stumper.
It's a real head scratcher for you.
It's a real head scratcher. Cycle, something cycle. Let's go with recycle. Is that it?
Great job.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
But not to imply that you're not good at these, but you know, it's always fun when I feel like you get 2 out of 2. So I'll have maybe a tougher one at 3 at the 9 o'clock.
I'm not good at them. That would be
I will say though, if you had I feel like you are really good at trivia though.
Okay.
Like I feel like your numbers are higher there. I'm a math gal, you know.
Don't make it harder.
I'm a data gal.
Even out.
That's how I work. This morning, though, our numbers look pretty good, maybe a little bit cooler out there. Current temperature still in Boone at 35, but we're starting to warm up in the mid-40s across most of the Piedmont. So a great start to the day from App State, beautiful blue skies. And you like to hear that that's going to happen all day, right? We have satellite and radar showing just a few clouds mixing in here and there. So your run and ride forecast looks great. We, of course, will see temperatures in the 40s this morning, eventually the 50s by about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, things will be looking even better. Now today's high temperatures this afternoon will reach around 72 degrees. However, it's tonight that you're really going to notice a difference, especially in areas north of us up toward the mountains and foothills. So look at Blowing Rock, look at Boone. Below freezing tomorrow morning, Banner Elk even potentially in the upper 20s. These temperatures up toward the mountains will allow for a chance for a light freeze and even some patchy frost for the higher elevations here of both Burke and Caldwell County. Now even Morganton, Lenoir, Taylorsville could even be borderline there, some of those cold enough temperatures, mid-40s for most of the Piedmont, and I do think that down toward the Sandhills too. Some of our models picking up on some upper 30s for Lancaster, Chesterfield, and Chester, but I think we'll be warm enough, if not enough cloud cover, that won't be much of a concern. So again, where are these watches and warnings in effect? It is a freeze warning for Ashe, Watauga, and Avery counties, and a frost advisory in effect there for the mountains of Burke and Caldwell. Now this is in effect for Monday morning, so it starts at 2 a.m., so between 2 and 9 a.m. Expect those temperatures at a minimum, or I guess a maximum, that is of 36 degrees. Now, as we head through the next few days, I do expect some of those colder temperatures to stick around. So those areas could see those cold temps again for Tuesday morning too. And that's because high pressure, at least for now, that cool high pressure will be in place. That sinking motion of air is going to allow for not only no storm development Monday or Tuesday, but it also helps suppress some of that wind and allows for cold air to settle closer to the ground. But what it's eventually going to happen as we transition into late Tuesday and early Wednesday is high pressure starts to break down, and we have what's called a stalled cold front developing across the southern part of the country. Now, a stalled cold front is really what's in the name, right? It's stalled. It's stationary over one area. And as it kind of chills stationary across parts of the deep south for multiple days from Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday, we are going to see multiple rounds of rain until it looks like the cold front kind of pushes itself all the way through as we get closer to Saturday afternoon. Now, our 2 most reliable forecast models, the American and the European, are pretty split on timing. The GFS has things moving out much quicker than this. You can see the European, which is the one I'm using here, does have that big swath coming in a little bit later on. So we do need to kind of watch these trends closely. The good news is that with clouds and a lot of rain, likely the atmosphere will be stable enough that we're not talking a lot of storm activity by later on this week. But if you do need to get outside at any point from pretty much Wednesday through Saturday, make sure you have those umbrellas handy. In fact, Wednesday is probably going to be the grossest day in our Guy Roofing 7-day forecast, as we'll see widespread clouds, widespread rain, which likely will result in temperatures struggling to get out of the upper 50s.